But gosh, the visitors here, they've been complaining about the heat. We hit 100 today.
Yeah.
We've got more of them on the way. So officially at DFW, we hit 100 degrees when normally this time of year high should be in the mid 90s. So it normally should still be hot. The record though, 106, we did that back in 1996 and we've been rain free so far at DFW, but we could still see rain chances linger this evening. This is our DBU camera. We do still see some sunshine, but we also have those cumulus clouds beginning to bubble up a little bit more. We're now at 101 degrees in downtown Dallas, 98 in Denton, 83 though in Canton, and 74 degrees in Tyler and also in Athens, where we have had quite a bit of rain since earlier this morning. And now we're still seeing some isolated showers and storms pop up around the Metroplex. There's been one storm around Dallas County just south of Mesquite there, and you can see that it's starting to weaken. There were a couple of lightning strikes. These storms have put an outflow boundary that is moving through downtown Dallas, and with that boundary as it passes through you, we're talking about 20 to maybe 30-mile-an-hour wind gust. To the north and east, we've been watching a few isolated storms there. Those continue to weaken. There's some heavy rain, a few lightning strikes, and to the south and west, you can see just how scattered everything is, and there's nothing severe, but with any of these storms, we could have the potential of some heavy downpours and some lightning. But as we go throughout the rest of this evening, there's still going to be a low chance of some low-end severe weather. We're talking maybe 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts and some heavy downpours. Hail threat's going to be extremely low, but that's going to be mainly over the Metroplex and areas off to the east. So we're going to continue to monitor it this evening. Now, as we go throughout the next few hours, we're still going to have that chance of rain and storms. They just kind of pop up wherever they want to, though. By 10 o'clock, it's still showing maybe a couple of those around the Metroplex this evening, but then after midnight or so, most of us will be dry under mostly clear skies, but overnight and into tomorrow morning, there could still be a couple of isolated showers, mainly to the north and east. And then as we go throughout the day tomorrow, expecting lots of sun. It's going to be plenty hot and humid with a few thunderstorms possible north and east, I think, of DFW. Tomorrow late evening, most of those storms go away. So tomorrow I have the coverage even lower. I only have it at about 10%. I think it stays out of the Metroplex, but Thursday, Friday, I have a 0% coverage of rain, so I'm taking rain chances out for now, but they do return this weekend. So by Saturday, I've got a 10% coverage. The coverage does go up on Sunday. So if you have outdoor plans, just make sure you stay updated with the latest forecast. Have the radar ready to go because we are still expecting those to move back in, of course, when people usually have those outdoor plans. Tonight, becoming mostly clear. It's still going to be warm and muggy. We're dropping down into the upper 70s. The wind's going to stay pretty light. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny. I think we hit 100 degrees again. There is going to be a low chance of some showers and storms. The coverage only at about 10%, so very isolated, and the wind stays pretty light. Looking at the 14-day forecast, we still have more 100s in the forecast and all the way through Friday with a little bit more wind as well. 101 though on Thursday. As rain chances move back in, clouds increase this weekend. Temperatures go down some. 99 on Saturday, but on Sunday with the higher coverage of rain, temperatures make it back down to about 95 degrees. The good news is the pattern starts to look a little bit more unsettled by mid-July. That means we're going to have more storm chances, and that also means temperatures start to go down some. So we see a few days in there where highs are only in the low 90s. But after that, looking at the later half of that 14-day, we see the rain chances move out and temperatures move back up.